When you do PDF first note taking and you genuinely want to dissect documents, you end up with two real options: LiquidText and Margin Note. These give you the most satisfying note taking experience you can get on the iPad, especially if you enjoy research, you prefer handwriting most of your thoughts, and you want to pull out key ideas without friction. LiquidText feels like the simpler, cleaner choice. It now supports collaboration and you can annotate documents wherever they live, which I love because it fits real workflows instead of forcing you to copy files into a system. It also integrates with reference and citation apps, which helps a ton when you're writing or building a proper research library, and turn PDFs into usable notes. Syncing across devices can still feel glitchy though. You might open the app on another device and notice a delay, a file that hasn't updated yet, or annotations that take a moment to catch up. If you rely on LiquidText across multiple devices, I'll treat it like this: brilliant for deep work on one main iPad, and good across devices as long as you stay aware that sync can lag now and then.